So this is how we actually make the yogurt. So we put half of the jug, or whatever it's called, of soy milk.
We buy the container, we get the container of soy milk, and we empty out half of its contents.
Half of it into here. We put one capsule in here. And then we get a whisk, stir it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And then we put the top on, and then we let it sit for however long it takes to get
24 to 48 hours.
To get like this.
So our yogurt has been sitting there for about 24 hours. So I've done this before and I had to let it sit for 48 hours. So it might depend on the quality of your probiotic, how long it will take, but it will take from 24 to 48 hours. And when you open it, you'll smell it like, it smells like yogurt. If it smells like funky,
cheesy,
not good. If it smells spoiled, it's not yogurt. You've cultured something else, okay? And you can, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like totally like jello that, right? And this is a great alternative to buying vegan yogurt. Vegan yogurt in the store can be about $1.60 to over $3. And this one, when I calculated it with all the buying the probiotics and getting the organic soy milk, so it's about 50 cents per serving and that's per 1 cup serving. And we don't sit there and eat a cup. We usually will get it, we'll put it on our fruit. I even use this because it's plain, it's not sweetened. I'll use it and make like an onion dip or something, like a sauce to put on top of, you know, our burritos. You can use it to dip chips or whatever, and make a tzatziki sauce or things that you call for yogurt. You can use this plain yogurt for. So 50 cents, it's a deal. It's organic. It increases the probiotics. So when we buy the bottle of probiotics, that's like $17 I get for Amazon for 60 capsules. I use 1 capsule and I've basically grown a whole bunch of probiotic babies in here. So we get way more for our money by just eating the yogurt than taking the capsules. So I hope you enjoy your 2-ingredient yogurt.
Delicious and nutritious. I'll be right back for the next video. See ya.
Hours.
To get like this.
I hope your hands are clean. That means no. Okay. Say hi. I'm awake now. No, don't want to say hi. Look.
Say hi.
Show them your mango shirt. Oh. Show them how it has mango all over it, huh?
Say mango cheese.
Yeah. Actually, I think there's like mango stain. Hey, get your
Mommy
hand up.
mango.